Hi everybody, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant. Today we're going to be taking a look again at the Value Charts live trading room and what the trades of the day were, what the opportunities for taking profit were. We had another up day, another great day. We had several very good trades. I'm just going to outline a few of them in gold, RBOB, and crude oil. The first one in gold, we traded both long and short. We took the long on a retest of this trend line. Coming up here on the daily chart, you can see we were in it around 1666 and then ended up closing and reversing the position up around 1682. So very nice profit there. Over $1,000 a contract, almost $2,000 a contract. Then if you drill down, you can actually see where and why we reversed our position. We reversed it due to this downtrend line on the daily chart. We were right up next to it when we reversed. And the reason we reversed, if you pull down to a 2-minute chart, and you scroll back a little bit, you can see here we had moderately overvalued prices on a 2-minute basis. We were right up next to that resistance level. We also had a bearish divergence where we had higher prices. We eclipsed the previous high by almost $1 a barrel, and then we had a lower high momentum histogram. Market ended up rolling over. We put in break-even stops. It never came back up and retested our entries, and the market just continued to head right on down, giving us another about $10 an ounce. Even if you just waited and exited right now, you'd still have about $10 an ounce in profit. The next trade that we did, another very good trade, is crude oil. We had trades in crude both to the upside and the downside. We had the long in crude off of this bullish divergence on a 2-minute chart. You can see we came down. Here's the first dip in prices. And then the second dip, we hit significantly undervalued right there. But if you look at our momentum histogram and at the indicator lines, we had a higher low there. So we had a bullish divergence, got long, and then we covered and reversed the position at 97.17. I know a few different people in the trading room had fills right around 97.17. Know for a fact one guy had it at 97.17, a couple others were just in the vicinity. But we covered the long and reversed the position to a short. The reason we reversed the position was due to a bearish divergence on a 30-minute chart. You can see we came up, we barely eclipsed the previous highs of the day, and then we had a significantly lower high on our trend index and on our MQ momentum. So we got short, risking the high after we were at 97.17, so we were risking 2 ticks beyond the high at roughly 97.23, so about $60 a contract. It ended up rolling over and moving all the way from 97.17 to a low of 95.50. Even if your fills weren't excellent, you still had the opportunity to take out about $1.45 a barrel to the downside, which is about $1,450 per contract. Another great trade. We've been doing really well trading crude oil over the past few weeks. Now, the last trade, and what I would consider the best trade of the day, was a short in RBOB, and ended up giving us the ability to take out around $3,297, or roughly $3,300 in profit per contract, risking only about $250, if that, with your stop loss. The reason we got short, again, a bearish divergence, very similar to what crude oil had done. You can see we came right up, barely eclipsed the previous highs. But if you look at our momentum indicator, significantly lower momentum. The market ended up rolling over and selling right off and just tanked the rest of the day and been continuing to go down. If you got out, even if you didn't have a great fill getting short or a great fill getting out, you still could have taken out over $3,000 a contract. So that was a trade of the day. Don't forget, tonight is when we start the value candlestick reversal course. It's going to be a lot of fun. People are really going to enjoy that, I believe. And that is at 5 p.m. Eastern Time until around 8 p.m. or until we're done answering questions. Tonight, February 7th, and then also tomorrow, February 8th. And then we'll also be trading that the following week or next week in the live trading room, trading the reversal course. So I look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room in the future. Hopefully we'll continue to do well and trade well. So until next time, happy trading.